Okay, so we got the floor mat out. Floors got one spot right here that's not awesome, but other than that, it's really not too bad in the back. Here's that spot up front. You can see right there, we got a little bit of rust. The only thing about this truck is it's got so many holes put in the top. Every time I look up, I see another hole that they put in there. Okay, so I think my goal for tonight is going to be to get this cab stripped for the most part. I think I'm going to try and get that steering column out, the ugly old visors, and maybe the whole dash too. All the brake pedal assembly and stuff like that. I think maybe I want to power wash it tomorrow. Okay, I'm out here in the engine bay, and I'm seeing that, look at that, there's a collar. It's kind of tough to tell, but got a little collar down here, and we got to get that bolt, and another one just like it from down there out first, and it's pretty much just as easy to take that brake booster bracket off right now. We'll do that, then take that collar off and get the steering column out. Somebody already took the steering box off. Okay, so last night we left off with basically getting steering column out, seats out, visors are out, and kind of checked over the floors. This passenger side is not too bad. This driver's side is a little worse, but super flat metal. I think I'll probably just make some patch panels and go from there. So definitely going to be kind of a low buck build because I plan on taking it off-roading. So anyways, let's get back to it. I'm going to try and get this dash out. I don't see a whole lot in there anyways, so let's finish the job. Anyone else have a DeWalt that the piece that holds your apex in only works sometimes? Okay, so I was finally able to get the dash pad out. If you are wondering, if you got one of these trucks and you're wondering, you got like all these little speed nuts that hold it on. Basically look like these. Okay. Oh. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then everything else is just kind of, you gotta take your defrost vent trim pieces off too. So those little pieces right there. Anyways, that gets us to taking this dash out. Definitely more rust there than you'd like to see on the inside of a dash, but it was pretty well open to the elements for many years. So okay, so here is kind of the rust situation. We got good amount there, good amount as you kind of come across here, getting better, and then getting kind of ugly again. Actually real ugly in that corner there. So that's what we got. Real ugly in that corner too. Probably take out these vents, take out the gas pedal, and do a final kind of clean out and see what we can do. Okay, finally I am done getting this cab cleaned out. So vacuumed, take it outside and I'll power wash it probably in a couple of days. It's raining right now, so alright, next I'm going to try and get all of this engine bay stripped and get this front clip off. So probably will end there for the night if I had to guess.